Android setting icon missing or not showing on home screen? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Android setting icon missing from your home screen or how you can get it back to display on your home screen. Now, if you can't find your settings icon on your home screen, if you scroll down your notification bar, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the settings icon. Now if you tap on the icon, you'll head into settings. You can always search from the search bar on the top corner of your screen for home screen. Now once you search for home screen, you'll get various options. Just simply head into home screen, and if you scroll down below, you'll find the option hide apps on home and apps screens. Open this up, and here, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to find settings. You can see settings here. Now make sure it's unchecked here. Now if you check this and if you press on done, then your settings app will be hidden. This might be the reason that it's not showing up on your Android home screen. So you can either delete it from hidden apps just by tapping here, or make sure that it's unchecked right here down below. So once you do this, your settings icon should appear on your home screen. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.